Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Stop typing your table of contents manually. That is an amateur move that wastes massive time. Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to letting Microsoft Word generate a perfect dynamic table for you instantly. Step 1. Set your headings. First, highlight all your major section titles and navigate to the Home tab at the top. Click on the Heading 1 style to instantly tell Word which lines are your primary document structure. Step 2. Position the cursor. Next, click the exact spot in your document where you want your automated table to appear. Most professionals choose a fresh blank page right after the title page to maintain a clean layout. Step 3. Access References tab. Navigate to the References tab in the top toolbar to access the automated publishing features. This menu holds the keys to advanced document tools that create a polished, professional finish. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Join our community of elite creators and master the hidden free tools that grow your business today. Step 4. Choose your style. Click on Table of Contents and simply pick one of the elegant built-in styles from the drop-down. Word will instantly generate your complete table, featuring clickable links that jump directly to each section. Step 5. Refresh dynamically. If you add new sections later, just right-click your existing table and select Update field. Choose Update Entire Table to instantly refresh the entire structure and page numbers without rewriting anything. Now you can generate professional documents without the high manual cost and work efficiently like a seasoned digital pro. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.